What's up, YouTube? CCI family is definitely in the building. It's your main man back with the game plan. I ain't going nowhere. Like Trapper said, we ain't leaving. Like the movie said, we ain't leaving. We ain't going nowhere. This is what makes you or breaks you. And for those of you that want to be made, this is it. So what I mean by that is there's no one, and I mean no one, who's been great at investing, who hasn't went through a bear market. There's only two markets. There's bulls and bears. Thankfully, the bulls run things. Okay? Just like when Jordan was on the Bulls, they run things. But the Bears have their time. The Chicago 85 Bears, they had their time. It comes up. And only the ones who can survive the bear encounter go on to be the successful investors. So the question is, are you one of them? Do you see that glass half full or half empty? Are you ready to pull out and run, or are you ready to stand and fight? For instance, take a look at these. All of us at one time or another have faced disappointment. Okay, the best riders in the world are the ones who have gone down and gotten back up. We have to go through the fire to be made whole. When you first learned to walk, you fell and got up and walked again. When you learned to ride a bike, you fell and got up and rode again. Pretty soon, you were a pro. Same thing in any aspect of life. You have to take your lumps before you reach greatness. So for some of us, this may be our first time going through something like this. This is your lumps you have to take. But if you quit, you'll never achieve the greatness you want to achieve. Now, the good thing is, as far as the market is concerned, you don't have to take your lumps lying down. There are things you can do to protect your gains, to make future gains, and even to make money in a down market. Continue doing your research. Continue doing DCA. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at some of the numbers. Some of the stocks are great stocks that are still great stocks, but are going through a transition, as we are. One of our foundations, the Great SPY, S&P 500 ETF, is down 15%. Okay, all-time highs, we were about 612. We're down to about 505 now. Okay. Apple, one of our great companies, going through it right now because of the tariff situation. A lot of their products and parts are made where but China. Okay. $188 right now per share. Okay. Apple is down 22%. Okay, NVIDIA, great company. We're under $100 a share right now. Okay, NVIDIA is hitting almost 35% down. And these are in the last 3 months. Okay. Palantir is down about 7%. Palantir is a great company. I'm going to say that again. Palantir is a great company. Followed up by, I can't tell you whether to buy, hold, or sell. SoFi down 35%. Okay, and we have our little guys like SoundHound, Grab. Both are down. Sound 24%, almost 25% down, and that's within 1 month. Okay, because I wasn't gonna go to 3 month out, because remember when we were up about $25, we already knew that bubble was gonna burst quickly. So I started them off at a month. Okay, so we're down about a quarter in a month. Grab down about 22%. And I know what you're saying. Look at how much everything is down. But you're looking at it the wrong way. Look how much everything is on sale. These are some of the greatest companies that, not just in our nation, in the world, that have ever existed. NVIDIA, Apple, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Palantir. Do you really think that these companies are going to cease to exist or overcome their disappointment and rise above it stronger than ever? Like history has showed us many, many times over. And if history serves us correct, wouldn't you want to be part of that? Or would you rather be on the sidelines again saying, you know, I wish I had a bought then, or I wish I had a seen this opportunity, when the opportunity is here? It's now. Take advantage now. So, as a lot of stock channels, online stock pages, and so on do, they kind of list their stocks by buy and holds or sells. Well, I've come up with my own for us here on Chump Change Investments. Some of the stocks that we follow. Okay? Again, this is nothing that you have to go buy. This is not me telling you to buy, hold, or sell. It is just my opinion on a few of the stocks that we follow here. For instance, ParaZero, starting off with the very little guys. Okay, I have hundreds of shares of this, and they're around 70 cents, 77 cents, so on. They're right now at 59 cents a share. My rating, buy heavy. That's what I'm going to do, because I know this company is going to come back. Buy heavy. Next, Palantir. My ace, boom, go. Not jumping off till the wheels fall off. They're right now at 79-ish. Okay, $79 around in that area. We've been as high as 124, 125 maybe. I'm DCAing heavy. I increased my DCAing amounts. NVIDIA is a buy all day. If you can afford to get as many as you can, I would do so. If not, another heavy DCA, my opinion. SoFi right now is under $10 a share. To me, because of how SoFi is and how the economy is moving and what's going on in that house right now, it's a hold for me, but with small DCA. Okay? Until we see certain numbers turn around, interest rates, see what it's going to do, it's a hold, but I'm still DCAing minutely. SoundHound, I'm still rolling with them. Okay, so it's kind of a small DCAing position right now. However, I have to do some more research, to be honest, on SoundHound to see how they're going to weather this storm. So it's a hold on me. Archer, buying it. Archer's day is coming. We may have to wait a little bit, but their day is coming. It's a buy or a DCA. But if you can afford it, get it. Okay? So that's basically all I wanted to come on here and say to everyone today. I don't want you to think that I'm dodging because of the way the market is going right now. I'm here standing strong. I am buying, I am DCAing, I am still doing my research. I am in this game until I reach the goals that I've put up for myself. And hopefully you will do the same. Because when it turns around, I'd like you to be there with us. Okay? So once again, this is Chump Change Investment saying peace, wishing you a financially successful week ahead. Do your research. Keep your head in the game. And check back in with us momentarily, because I'll be right back with you. All right? So thank you all again for watching. Y'all have a great day. It's Chump Change Investment saying peace out.